Today I'll be showing you on how to import Excel data to AutoCAD Civil 3D. The first thing is you open your Excel data. You save your Excel data as CSV, delimited, and select where you want to save it into. Like I want to save my own to my desktop, and I'll give it the name XYZ. Then I'll click on save. Yes. Now I've saved my Excel data. Then after saving, you have to close it in order for you to be able to open it on AutoCAD. Now you launch your AutoCAD. You set your units. Okay, after setting your unit, you import your Excel data by going to your point. Click on point creation tools. You click on import point. Then my Excel data, the Excel data I'm having is, the description is on PENZD, that is point, easting, nothing, height, and description. That is the format I save my Excel data with. Now on this format, you have to select exactly the format you are having on your Excel. My own format is PENZ, delimited, because it was saved as delimited. So I have to select PENZ, delimited. Then you click on manage format. You select it again, PENZ, delimited, and then you click on modify. You change this .txt to .csv. Then you click on coordinate zone transform, and you set your region. Nigeria, and I'll set up all this. Then I load in my data. Click on load. You change this to CSV and click on your document. Open, then you pass. Then you have this. Close this. Click on add point to group. Then you come to this cross at the top, and you change this file type to CSV again, and select your document. Then you click on open and click on OK. Then you come to this zoom extent and click on it. Now you have your point on your screen, on the screen. Now AutoCAD Civil already detected my description TR as 3. You can see I have it on my screen here, but it's not showing other descriptions. Now for me to have that on my screen, I will come to my point group and go to all points. Then I will right click, go to properties. I will change point level style from none to point elevation description. Then I will change the scale. I will change it test height from 2.5. I can use 0.5. Apply. Also this, I will change the drawing scale to 0.6. Apply. OK. Apply. OK. Now you can see, now I have all my descriptions on my screen. you can see I have on my description on my screen now. I have my TP road, I have my electric pole EP. Thank you.